Hello. No pressure. Name for a route?
What?
Fractions of an inch.
Yeah, that would be, wouldn't it? Like one that was super slow and static, fractions of an inch.
Yeah, it's all about the fractions of an inch. She said it's all about the inches.
Yeah, well, she doesn't know what she's
Slabbers say it's all about the fractions. Or something like that.
Something like that.
Come on. Lean into it a little bit. There you go.
That left side.
Yeah.
I was like wanting a line. Recording you fail over and over again.
I'm like up to like 4 or 5 minutes now. I think this is the time you're gonna get it. Come on. Okay. One more.
Nothing on that.
I want to try once more.
You gotta do it the other way. Like start here and go there.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah!
See, I can't hold that toe.
You'll
Right
get it.
toe or the left?
Left. It literally just slips
And
down.
cut the front of the camera here. Leaning, yeah. Oh.